There it goes. Did it do it again? No, we're good.
But I think that corner's fun.
So this thing is insanely fun, and it's very slidey. It also breaks a lot. We've broken it how many times?
We took it out for the first test run, broke it second one by your house, broke it third time behind the shopping center, broke it,
Hurt my arm.
busted your arm, fourth time just now. Full send, broke it some, but it's still running.
It still works. The seat's broken, the bolts came out of the engine, and the brakes broke. But other than that, it's solid. It's fine.
Other than engine.
So I realized that a lot of you guys don't really understand what we're doing with this car. It's gonna get wide-bodied. Everything we do on the channel basically gets wide-bodied, except for the Skyline, which it needed to be wide-bodied. But basically everything gets wide-bodied, and this is no difference. We're gonna build a custom wide-body kit. I'm using a totally new process that I've never used before. It's gonna be really interesting and exciting, and you guys need to check that out. It's gonna be coming in the following weeks. We're also gonna fill that kind of body gap where there's a giant space where we extended it about 8 inches. We gotta fill that in, and we're gonna make this thing look like a 2020 Corvette, because I want a 2020 Corvette.
2020.
I want a 2020 Corvette. Chase,
I want a 2020
yeah,
Corvette. And
wants a
this
2020
thing,
Corvette.
it's mid-engine. It's a mid-engine Corvette already.
It's drifty, it's mid-engine, it snap oversteers just like I'm sure the 2020 Corvette probably will without traction control on. We've also got a budget build coming up, a $2,000 budget build. It'll be coming up in just a few days, I hope, if all goes well. And then obviously every Sunday we have
The Datsun.
the Datsun. Yeah, we've got an LS powered Datsun that's been wide body. Well, it's not been wide bodied yet. It's been wide framed.
Yeah, wide chassis.
20 by 10s and a 13-inch wider chassis, so it's pretty wide. Put an LS in it. We're doing all kinds of really custom work, and we're totally learning as we go. We built the steering column last week.
Yeah, go check out that video.
It might be at the end. I don't know. It depends on what you like. Either way, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like. If you want to see more drifty stuff on the cart, make sure you comment below and let us know. Make sure that you also use the secret word of the day, which is
Helmet.
helmets. You
We
should always wear your helmets when driving dangerous stuff. Yeah, so the secret word is helmet. So if you stayed around for the entire video, thank you so much for watching the whole thing. It really makes a huge difference in YouTube if you watch the entire video. So you guys are awesome. You are the real OGs. Comment helmet below. If you can fit it into a funny sentence, I've been laughing so hard at some of the ones from last week. So do that. We will see you guys very soon.